Imagine a community where country living meets modern luxury, where you can savor panoramic views of the Sierra Nevada mountains and have easy access to the amenities of Lake Tahoe and Reno. A community that offers a stunning setting for an elevated lifestyle. Welcome to the Preserve. The Preserve is wrapped around 2 championship golf courses and offers a health and fitness center with a pool, hot tub, yoga room, tennis, and pickleball courts, where you can soak in 300 days of sun annually. And whether you're looking to enjoy retirement or raise a family, one of the 4 customizable floor plans will give you a home as unique as you are. This is a place where you can explore, then unwind. A place for hiking, biking, golfing, fishing, skiing, snowshoeing, and hunting. A place for connection and serenity. Welcome to the Preserve.